There's a couple.
Okay, guys, so here's a
4 of them here. Yeah.
19. It's a 1950 Mercury, right?
Yeah.
A 1950 Mercury.
Two-door.
It's a what?
Two-door.
Two-door, yeah, two-door. Oh yeah.
I remember one time.
Well, these are good customs.
I was at this.
Oh, here it is.
This show downtown.
So.
In a parking garage.
Isaac, move, buddy.
And this guy
has some rust, but it's pretty cool.
He had more.
This thing's a pretty cool car. There's interior, if you guys can see that. It's all ripped up. Move this thing. Door. There it is. You guys can see all that.
So I said,
it's crazy. There's a Fiat 124, Geo Metro, and the Mercur XR4 Ti.
There was two-tone. Nobody wanted it for two-door. And then somebody come along, and you know what he did?
Oh, that thing's cool.
Either, but
there's the horn, guys. It's a 239 cubic inch, pretty sure. Flathead, V8. It's a manual. It's pretty cool. Hey guys, here's a Fiat 124 or Fiat 1X9, fuel injected.
You still got antiques up there?
It's a
nothing.
Fiat, little Fiat. I think it's a Targa roof. I'm pretty sure the roof comes off. Yeah. There's the Mercur. My daddy's had a bunch of those. It's funny, it has one that. It's a turbo 4-cylinder. But yeah, man, this looks pretty cool. It's a Mercury and Geo Metro. Guys, here's the front of the Fiat. It's actually a really nice car. Interior, it's a Geo Metro. And here's a Triumph TR2. It's a Triumph TR2, if any of you guys know anything about this. This thing's pretty rough, let me just say that. It has a TR4 engine in it. Which, this is a pretty fast car. I'm pretty sure there's no floors and there's a bunch of beer cans in there. No interior, no seats, nothing like that. It's a cool little car though. Here's a Chevy wagon. There's a 1944 Deluxe Coupe. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool car. But, whoa, I'm just dropped the camera. Yeah, but here's all this crap. More fun stuff. But yeah. Here's a 1955 Ford F100. What? Oh, crap. This thing's a hot rod. This thing has a 71 Mustang engine in it. Automatic.
And baseball bat!
Yeah, that's the one that... That's how we used to get the Opel out. Or no, we didn't. Never mind. I was going to use that, but I didn't.
Where's the seat for Caden?
Oh, yeah.
No
it's all rusted out, yeah. But this is some kind of Buick. And there's a Lincoln. There's a Lincoln Zephyr.
Right there.
Oh, yeah, that's for Caden.
Caden. Dynapro.
Oh, wow, fancy. But this thing still holds... Well, no, it doesn't. Never mind. It doesn't hold air. This thing's really straight, guys. This thing's... Don't talk about this thing, Dad. The Ford.
I'm talking about this.
Oh, here. Can I come through?
Ooh, that toy.
Yeah. We saw it last time.
Oh, did you video it?
No. Oh, yeah, look at this thing. This thing's destroyed. This thing would probably worth something if it wasn't rusty, but...
And banged up and dented.
Yeah. Okay, here. You guys... Here, I want to come through. Actually, I'll come over here. This is a Lincoln Zephyr, guys, over here. And then there is a... there's a turbo Subaru back here, too. It's automatic. Way back there, there's a Ranchero. 59 Ranchero, I'm pretty sure. It's I forget what engine is, maybe 361 or something like that. Another Buick. There's a little motorcycle back there. And then in the other barn, I'll show pictures of it. There's a Graham Cavalier, 1937. Some more Buicks and a Jaguar, too. And then some more stuff. Here's a Ford Model A. It's pretty solid, I'm pretty sure. I think last time I ever saw it. Yeah, that thing's extremely solid, guys. Look at that. That thing's really nice, body-wise. Here's an MGA Coupe. And that headlight was busted out by a horseshoe, I guess. Yeah, you don't see these Coupes very much. Is that an air intake? I don't know what the thing is. Yeah, you don't see that. Look how solid that Model A is.
The back end of it is so cool.
Yeah, look how solid the Model A is. Isn't that crazy? There's a jack. What is that? Oh, okay, I have no idea what that is. But here's a Cutlass. It's an F85, I'm pretty sure it's called Oldsmobile Cutlass. Is that a convertible, Dad? Is that a convertible or no? That's just a hardtop, right? Okay, that's what I thought. But Huh. Wow, that thing's extremely nice. That thing's rust free too. No, that's no, yeah, I mean, that's a 69 LTD, and then something really special hiding behind that. Which you guys will find out. Yeah. I don't. Ow. Okay, there's that. I just ran into something. And then let's go see the special thing. Is a Buick. See if I can get over here. If you guys can notice that, you guys know what those things are. I think they're pretty cool. I like those cars over there. I wonder if you guys can still guess what it is yet. Leave a comment.
And some of it's real simple.
But you guys can guess already. It's an Opel GT. My favorite car. Yay. It's a 71, I'm pretty sure. Crap, I have to move this stuff somewhere. 71 or 72, one of the 2 years. Whew. No idea what that is. This car is extremely nice. Oh my gosh. This is a 69 Ford LTD I found. Rah.
Is that out of Tip City? Yeah.
Whoa. And here's a 69 LTD. Really nice interior. This thing? Oh, the Opel? Pretty nice, actually. Wow, look at that interior, guys. I don't know if you guys see it. It's a stick shift. Wow, steering wheel's as cracked as mine. I don't know if you guys can see it's white interior. You guys probably can't see it. Yeah, no. It's a Studebaker LTD. Oh man, there's no rear window in this thing. Dang. There's a rear window in the Opel though. I want to try to get some stuff. Okay guys, so I got the Opel door open. Just took a little bit of work. There's a seat that's way better condition than mine actually. Rockers seem good. No dash cracked. Has a radio. You guys can't see that. Yeah, no, you guys can't see that. Seats aren't bad at all either. Manual transmissions. This is a kind of cool little car. Wow. I wonder if those original tools in there or not. Like mine. There's seat belts. Huh, that's crazy. I got it open. Man, this windows roll brand like brand new. And I got that thing. Okay, guys. There's the windows. Okay, that's the best I can do there. Let's try to open the hood. Yeah, no, the hood is probably jammed. Trust me, on mine it's kind of hard. Alright guys, so here's the Opel. It's black valve cover, really interesting. It's all stock, it looks like. Stock manifold and take. But it's pretty cool. I mean, this thing. I think they're talking about something back there. This thing is a cool little Opel. Here, I'm gonna set it down. Put the GoPro right there. Okay. This is a car I'm hoping to get maybe. I don't know. Couple of headlights. Let's look at the rockers for once. Oh, the paint's starting to chip. Darn, that sucks. Nice exhaust, chrome exhaust. Let's see if we can find any rust anywhere. No. Some there. Oh, that's a weird hubcaps. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. Yeah, so here's the Opel. Get some pictures of that. Yeah. You guys here's the Ford Ranger. Whenever I tried to open the door last time we were here, there's wasps that came out, so that was kind of scary. But it's a 5-speed. It's kind of cool. Oh, I think there's a wasp right there. Okay, someone flying on there. Yeah, there's a trike in the back. It's a Buick, Park Avenue. And here's a turbo Subaru. Pretty cool wheels. Oh, it's all-wheel drive turbo. Oh, that's kind of cool. I have no idea where the exhaust went on it. Huh. I have no idea. I think it's I don't know what year it is, or what model it is. I forget. I had in my head, but I forget what it is now. Semi-truck trailer. And there's something cool in this semi-truck trailer in here. I don't know if I can get it out or not. If I can open the door. It's a 1949 Studebaker convertible. Solid body, I'm pretty sure. This thing's pretty rare, I've heard. I guess it's out of a, oh, come on, there's a giant post right there. Oh, shoot, this may not be good. Okay, there we go. Okay, there it is. Here, I'm about to move this post. Here's Studebaker, guys. I can't get up in there. I did one year. Wait, maybe I can't actually. This door is just being really annoying. Piece of wood. I don't know if this thing I can hold on to or not, or if the bumper's gonna fall. It don't look very safe. Okay, came up. Whew. Whew. Oh, there it is. And there's a 36 Ford Coupe behind there. I've never really got a glimpse of that. That thing's, I've heard the engine's stuck. So, yeah, there's that. There's a Oldsmobile. And the Opel was that direction. Not in this thing, but over there somewhere. And then, a Ford Falcon over there too, but that's not really his. There's a bunch of engines in that truck. Little engines. A Ford, or not Ford, Toyota. Similar to a Ford truck, there's a little Cushman scooter in the back of it. I think that's cool. Toyota it has mud tires on it. It's kind of look cool. If you guys can see it or not. Oh, there we go. There's a snowmobile back here. It's a John Deere. 340 maybe? I don't think it's a liquid fire or anything fancy like that. My daddy's had a liquid fire. And back there was where the Opel, or not Opel, the VW bus was. If you guys remember that, any. So yes, this is the great tour of the huge barn find place. If you guys enjoyed it, please subscribe if you guys like this, and thanks for watching. Okay.